We're just two sisters and we're having a good time. We're just getting ready for the day. I was just talking to Glenn and then the phone died, so that kind of sucks. But this is my hair tutorial. I mean, not tutorial, but this is my hair for the day. I have half of it down and the side of it's like braided. This is Susanna's outfit of the day. Her hair is like that, very cute in a little braid. Her dress is really cute, and her purse, and her shoes. I love her shoes. That is her naked cat Velcro. And then I was gonna wear a different outfit, a cuter one, a way cuter one. Well, I mean, no offense, but my outfit is kind of dark and boring, but that's okay. Well, I mean, it's not really boring because I've got a really cool shirt on, but my jeans are kind of boring. But I had to improvise. Velcro, you naked baby. She's such a funny looking cat and she feels so weird being naked, and she wears like sweaters and stuff. It's kind of cute. Yeah, this is my mom's flosser thing. Kind of neat, like on a little handle, and then she puts water in that part, and then I think you just wait, how do I turn it on? Aha. Whoa!
Turn it off.
Oh my gosh, how? Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I kind of got flossing water everywhere. Do your dance, their mall dance.
I don't have a mall dance.
Okay, film me and I'll do my mall. Oh. You're going to the mall! You're going to the mall! Oh, you're going to the mall! Going to the mall! Gotta get my bag! Going to the mall! Look at how she's doing it too! We're going to the mall! Hey! I mean, we're going to the mall! Gotta get back! Going to the mall! So we just found this on the fridge. It's Joe's protein stuff. I wonder what it tastes like. Susanna, do you wonder what it tastes like? Let's just try a pinch. Let's see. Oh, he's drank a lot. It looks kind of like a chocolate flavor.
It says triple chocolate or something.
Ooh, triple chocolate. Grab a pinch.
Here. Lisa, why are you doing it?
See. I don't know how you can eat this stuff. Ah. What do you think?
Just like chocolate.
These are my brother's bugs.
They're meeting.
Ew.
Maybe not.
He's got quite a few of these little guys. I just put an apple in there so they can get some moisture. He actually raised them from, what are those things called? Mealworms? Yeah, they were mealworms and now they're beetle things. My brother. No, worse than Facebook. Here, can you video and I'll dance with him.
www.navy.com.
Oh, I want to dance with you!
You have to chill out sometimes. Yeah, you should join this one.
Okay.
What the heck, man? God.
Oh, I love the Riverwalk. It's so pretty. So pretty. We're at the Riverwalk. So what do you think of the Riverwalk?
It's fun.
Good. primarily purple. That's the weirdest store I've ever seen. I've never seen a store that was just purple. So, have you? We are loving this mall. They have like really cool stores. Like, oh my gosh, look at all that stuff. Star Trek and just all kinds of Lord of the Rings. Look at that, Glenn. Abby, sit up. Abby spilled her drink in the whole store. I was so mad. Ooh, what are you looking at? Everything.
To the time I spent that $50 and just punched myself.
What did you buy with it? Harry Potter. Oh wow, they have really cool Harry Potter stuff. Nope. So I'm gonna try not to buy anything, Glenn, but I cannot promise that I won't. Look, they've Star Wars. Got lots of stuff. Oh my gosh, Rugrats. Look, Emily, Rugrats. They have like really old, cool stuff.
Look at all the Barbies. Oh my gosh. Look how old these are.
They're very old.
Oh, Lisa, look. Burning muffler, movable wings.
Oh.
Oh.
Don't you have that Godzilla?
Original Godzilla. Oh.
All the photos.
That does not say $35. I spent $15. That does not say $35. Oh my god.
Star Trek.
Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh. Glenn, help me. Glenn, why aren't you here to help me?
The one hanging up there, the $27.99.
Am I gonna buy something?
Class of 2002.
Wow. Maybe if I played with dolls, I'd buy something from here, but I don't. But somehow, strangely, I still want to buy something. Amelia wants to look in here.
How does it go like this?
Oh, I like that. I'd wear that bathrobe. I wonder how much that is.
Mom, I wonder how
What?
those little cats who wave that have cat before.
I like this pink one.
How many those?
The cat that waves back and forth.
Yeah, then
Okay, we can ask.
Right.
There's no price tag. Yeah, you want to ask how much those are?
Just like where we want them.
You do. Oh, look, they have little ones.
Tiny ones?
We're all in the elevator. Uh-oh, this is the car park elevator. Amelia! Sorry, Dad. In the parking garage. Oh man, that didn't work. Glenn, I just wanted to tell you, I didn't spend any money. I didn't buy a single dang thing. You should be proud of me. High five. I was looking everywhere for my little Amelia, and she was up here on the bunk bed playing. Are these Battlegons?
Yeah.
She's playing Battlegons. I believe that Finley Reed loves these things. Right?
Oh, that's what it is. So that's a sneaky one.
Hey, Thanks for watching my video. I'm going to bed now, so yeah. Bye.